Welcome to Fun with ABCs.
Hey friends! Today we're going to learn some super cool compound words. That's when two words join together to make a new word. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sun plus flower is sunflower. Tooth plus brush is toothbrush. Rain plus bow is rainbow. Butter plus fly is butterfly. Snow plus man is snowman. Base plus ball is baseball. Mail plus box is mailbox. Cup plus cake is cupcake. Foot plus ball is football. Basket plus ball is basketball. Fire plus man is fireman. Pan plus cake is pancake. Back plus pack is backpack. Note plus book is notebook. Play plus ground is playground. Air plus port is airport. Lady plus bug is ladybug. Gold plus fish is goldfish. Moon plus light is moonlight. Hair plus cut is haircut. Water plus fall is waterfall. Snow plus flake is snowflake. Fire plus truck is fire truck. Rain plus coat is raincoat. Tooth plus paste is toothpaste. Space plus ship is spaceship. Great job! job, friends! Now you know lots of awesome compound words. Keep practicing and you'll be a word master in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back soon for more fun learning. Bye-bye!